Denison, what kind of cloth is this one?
Hey, Chineke.
You people should be here playing what, eh? You don't know what is trending. This is Kanye West style. Read my lips. Kanye West style. Kanye baby. Kanye baby. Kanye West. Kanye baby.
Straight up. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Straight up. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Since the truth keep niggas traumatized, they try and compromise my condom size. So I Snapchat that whole shit. Trying to see titties, trying to show dick. And I swear to God, I hope they post it. Right now I'm calling you from my home gym. Right after that, nigga, I'm gon' swim. Just did a couple laps in my home pool. And my daughter right there getting home
Hey,
school.
you! Where are you going to?
How?
Why did you leave the line?
Which line? I'm not among them all.
Officer, put him back on the line.
No, it's not me.
Put him back on the line.
Hey, you should leave me alone. I'm not among them all. I'm not a madman. I'm not among them all. I'm not a madman.
Keep quiet.
I'm not among them. Oh, yeah, sorry,
Give him a tag.
sorry, sir. Okay, I swear to God, I'm not a
Start
madman.
moving. Join the line.
Okay, my head is correct. It's just Kanye West.
Move.
Okay, but I'm not a
Officer, be
madman.
careful. Make sure none of the patients leave the line again.
So I swear to God, I'm not in the line. No, I'm not in the line. No. I'm not among them all. This is Kanye West style, Oga.
My friend, keep quiet. Keep moving.
I wasn't in the line before.
Move.
It's Kanye West, baby.
I knew that something was wrong when Denison left the house.
Me, I know that Denison used to hide and smoke weed. Now weed have make him mad.
Mark, I'm not mad. Mark, you know me. We've been shooting comedy since. Have I been mad?
Calm down. The doctor said that you will be alright.
Yes.
I'm not mad.
Denison, calm down. The doctor.
In fact, Mark, take me out of here. Take me out of here, for God. He wants to buy me. He wants to buy me. He wants to buy that of here. Take me out of here. I'm not mad.
Shut up and sit down, my friend. Will you shut up and sit down?
What is it?
He's getting violent again.
And it's even time for his dosage.
Doctor, no, me, I'm not mad. Doctor, no, me, I'm not mad. Doctor, no, me, I'm not mad. Me, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. Oh, Doctor, I'm not mad.
You'll be fine.
Kanye West has killed me. Kanye, baby. Kanye, baby. Kanye, baby.